Plethora means abundance. The band was formed during the members' high school years. This particular group of musicians is a mix of schoolmates and cousins, continues to create exceptional music together. Their mission is to inspire the youth and challenge the stereotype that musicians are irresponsible drug users. They aim to show that through music, individuals can improve themselves. Our awardee for outstanding performers, Plethora Band, singer, composer, and musicians.
The Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele.
Hindi po namin in-expect na makakatanggap po kami ng ganitong award po ngayong umaga, ngayong araw. And syempre po, we are honored po at katulad naman po na nagsimula po kami, palagi po kaming nakasuporta at susuporta po sa napakaganda pong mga programa ng ating administrasyon at ngayon po ng ating Chief Acosta. Ito po, once again po, maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayo lahat at mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas. Salamat po.